Welcome to Pure Octane Garage. Hey Brandon, it's Tuesday.
Toy Tuesday.
Toy Tuesday.
So what are we gonna do? Lego Speed Champions. Probably should build them, right?
Yeah.
It'd not as much fun in the thought.
Yeah.
Anyways, I have some of these. I love these things. They're fun. And we just wanted to have a little fun on our YouTube channel here like we always like to do. So we're gonna go ahead and do a time-lapse build of us building these. And there may be a hint of competition to see who gets done first. I don't know. But they're not exactly the same, so it's not super fair, right? But they
because
I made sure
I would be way faster.
Oh, my Ferrari's faster.
I don't know. I guess we'll have to see.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, let's go ahead and let's dump these things out. Open them up.
Open this bad boy up.
No, not a lot of need to talk about what a Lego is. You guys know what that is.
Because what's better than cars and Legos,
right? All right, I've got one book.
I got stickers and.
Let's see, do you have more stickers? Oh yes.
Whoa! Check this out, guys.
And you got another one too.
Oh my goodness.
Well, we know who's gonna win the competition now.
Still me.
Maybe we'll just leave the stickers off. All right.
Let's get these things sorted.
You stay on that side.
Hey. Don't touch my side. So, Brandon, do you have a process when building Lego?
It depends. Well, it's been a little while. I haven't built anything in about a year or so. I used to build these things all the time. And then my kids got big and don't want to play with me anymore.
Oh.
Anyways, well, you know what? This is small enough. No process.
No process.
If it's bigger, sort by color. You know, I kind of like the color.
Yeah, I don't have too much of a process.
I pull the wheels out.
I do like to kind of sort things by color, though.
It helps. Definitely helps.
Just the organizer in my head.
This is a nice. These sets are nice and small. We're gonna go with the. I can't decide which rims should I choose.
Whoa, choices!
I got 4 choices of rims here.
I haven't even gotten that far.
I'm gonna go with the standard F40 rim here. Yeah, I think I'll do those.
Wow. Yeah.
You got.
The only choice I have is just a ton of stickers.
That's because you're NASCAR. They just use the Steelies. Actually, I don't actually know what a NASCAR wheel is made out of. Magnesium? Or is it steel?
As far as I know, it's steel.
It's just a steel wheel.
Yeah.
That's strong.
I think I saw it on How It's Made.
Ah, great show.
Maybe it's on YouTube.
I'm sure it is.
How NASCAR wheels are made.
All right. We're all sorted here. Cool.
This is going to be fun.